Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey, where I show you how to create beautiful DIYs and more on a budget. If that is something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more content just like this and to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. I'm Casey. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful seashell wreath. Perfect for your summertime decor. This wreath was simple, it was easy, and it was budget friendly. I got everything I needed from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned to see how I made it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you will need is a 10 or either 12 or 14. I'm sorry, I do not know the size of this wreath frame. I think it's about a 14 or a 12. You know, medium-sized wreath frames. And you will need some nautical rope. And of course, you're going to need to hot glue your nautical rope to your wreath frame. But I'm not doing that right now because, funny story, this morning, I made a rookie mistake. I know I wanted to do this project for a while. And I knew I had some nautical rope here. I just knew because I had bought it like earlier within the year, earlier in the year when I had saw it at Dollar Tree, because I had never really seen nautical rope at my Dollar Tree before. So when I saw it, I bought, about 3 things of it. So I know I had some nautical rope here, but I can't find it anywhere. And, being in the house, I'm trying to clean up, so I'm reorganizing things. So I'm like, I guess I put it in one of my other organizers or something. So I'm just looking, and I cannot find it. So I have all of my seasonal stuff from, seasons past, like Valentine's Day, Easter, in this big box in my closet. So something told me to take it down, look in there. And when I looked in there, I saw it. And I don't know why I put it in there. I promise you guys, I feel like I'm going crazy sometimes. I really do. But it was in there, all of it. And I was like, what is going on? So, and I was so happy because I did not want to, put this project off for another time or go to the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to do this video today. So luckily I found it. So when I did find it, I just hot glued it, down to my wreath frame at the top, at the beginning and at the end. I need to put hot glue on every loop that you do. But it's very simple. And I used 3 bundles of the nautical rope. But even for this size, even the medium size, if you're going to do it all around and put your nautical rope all around it, I would suggest you getting 4. And if you're going to use a bigger wreath frame, I would, double that, get 8. Because, you're going to need it. Or 6 to 8. So, yeah. But this is very simple, very easy. Like I said, I'm doing this hot gluing it to my wreath frame and just twisting it around. Now, once you have all of your nautical rope hot glued to your wreath frame and it's to your liking, now as you see, I didn't put nautical rope all around my wreath frame. I left a small part of it open because I wanted to add a bow there because, I love bows. So I left some of mine open. That's why I said if you're going to do the whole wreath frame, just, go ahead and buy 4 bundles of nautical rope. Especially for like the 10-inch or 12-inch frames. But after you do that, you're going to want to add your seashells. Now, I was so surprised when I saw seashells at the Dollar Tree. I was like, oh my God. And it just, I had just saw an episode of Home and Family where they were doing a DIY and they were putting seashells on the wreath. And I was like, oh my God, I can totally do that. And so I was so happy because, as you know, summer is about to be here. Memorial Day just passed. And, even though this is a pandemic going on with COVID-19, some of the beaches are opening. I'm not there. It makes me sad. I'm not there because I love going to the beach. I'm a water sign. I was born in July. So with those 2 things, I just love going to the beach. I love going to the beach. I love the water, especially in the summertime. Me and my husband, my son, we always take trips to the beach. I'm debating if I want to take one now. I'm still thinking about it. But anyway, when I saw these at the Dollar Tree, I was so happy. They were only $1. I bought 4 bags because I didn't know how much it was going to take, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I bought 4 bags of the seashells, and I just hot glued them to my on top of my nautical rope. And with this, it's just however you feel, whatever you're comfortable with, however you want your seashells to go. You know, I just had mine, you know, going in a circle, you know, face front, you know, just circular or whatever. And that's how I want to do it. But you can do it however you want to do it. Whatever you feel comfortable with. It's your wreath. There's seashells. You cannot make a mistake with this. Whatever you're comfortable with, whatever floats your boat. That was funny right there, especially with the seashells. But yeah. So this was very, very easy process. Also, this is a very easy wreath. It took no time at all to finish this wreath. Like I said, I started this morning. Even with my son waking up, it was still, you know, not a problem because this was like an easy, fast, quick, and simple wreath. So as you can see, I'm just hot gluing my seashells to my nautical rope. And again, this is the really simple, easy part. You just go for what you know. It doesn't matter how you put your seashells up here, like I said. Really simple, really easy. Just gluing seashells onto a wreath. Nothing hard or complicated about it. So I'm not going to let you see me do all of this because, like I said, it's really simple, really easy. So I'm going to go to my next part. And my next part of this project, after we get all of our seashells glued to our nautical rope, I'm going to make a bow. Now, I was going to make a banner that says beach because that's what they did on Home and Family. But since I added my bow, I didn't think it really needed a banner. I thought that would be doing just way, way too much. But if you wanted to add a banner instead of a bow, you could totally do that. And again, the banner was just going to say beach, and it was going to look really cute. But I just decided not to do it since I was going to add my bow. So for my bow, I'm just going to add some burlap. And again, like I said, you can get all these items from the Dollar Tree. But I got this burlap from Walmart. But they do sell burlap at the Dollar Tree. So do not worry. You can totally get burlap at the Dollar Tree. They have some really pretty burlap at the Dollar Tree. Awesome. But I got this burlap from Walmart a while ago. It was already in my stash. So I'm just going to fold my burlap. And at first I folded it in 4s or maybe 5. And because I didn't have that much burlap left on the stool, so I just wanted to go ahead and use it, you know, what I had left. But, and I still did. But folding it, because how I do my bows is really simple. I just fold it in 3s, and I just scrunch it up in the middle, tie it with some burlap, and then put it on my project. And you have a cute bow. But like I said, I wanted to use all of the burlap that was on my stool. But that was too thick. Because again, it's already burlap, and then it's a wired burlap. So that was just too thick trying to fold it into 4s. So I played around with that for a minute, and I saw that it wasn't going to cooperate. It wasn't going to look how I wanted it to look. So I had to cut it and just fold it in 3s, and then I got the look that I wanted to do. So learn from my mistakes. Do not fold it in 4s or do not fold it in 5. Just a simple 1, 2. And if you want to do 3, you can. Just 2 or 3 folds will get you the look that you need for your pretty bow. So once I have folded my burlap into 3s, again, like I said, I wanted to use all the stool from that burlap ribbon because I didn't have that much left, so I wanted to just go ahead and use it. So I cut my extra off that I had, and all I did was make some pretty ducktails to go up under my bow. And to tie my bow onto my wreath frame, I just used the jute string that I used to hold the bow together in the middle, and then I tied it on with the little rings. I tied it onto the rings of the wreath, And then I did the same thing with my with the tails of the bow. I'm sorry, I keep on saying with the tails of the bow, I did the same thing. I just put the jute string through it, and then I tied it to the wireframe. And it's very quick and very simple. And then to add a little bit more cuteness to my tail, I decided to make some ducktails to go, with the ribbon. And it was very cute and very simple. And also, me, even though I didn't add the beach banner like I wanted to, I still thought that this needed something more. So I went ahead and I added a seashell to the center of my bow. And it was just so cute. It was so adorable. It was, I loved it. It was really cute. And then there you have it. You are done. That's all you have to do for this project. Like I said, it was quick and simple. All you needed was a wreath frame, some nautical rope, and some seashells. You can find that all at the Dollar Tree for only $1. So this project, being so beautiful, because it is so beautiful, cost so little to make. Oh my gosh, it was cost so little to make. Like I said, 3 to 4 bundles, depending on how you want to do it, of the nautical rope, 1 wreath frame, and I only used 2 bags of the seashell. So that's what, $4, $5, $6. $6. That's amazing. That's really amazing. It's so cheap. But again, it was so beautiful. I love the way this wreath came out. It was really one of my favorites. Okay, guys, so I am done. I love the way this wreath came out. This beach wreath was so beautiful. It almost gives you like a farmhouse, like a beach farmhouse look. It can even, because it's really, really neutral. So a beach farmhouse look almost. It was so beautiful. I love it. It was so simple to make, so inexpensive to make. It was just, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I love everything about this project. I love the way it looked. It's just, again, it's this Dream Summer Screens Beach, again, with the seashells. I absolutely love it. If you have a beach house or something, or just want to feel the feel of the beach in your house, this is definitely something that I would suggest to do. I love everything about it. It is so pretty and so inexpensive. So if you like this video and want to see more DIYs just like this, please leave me a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I guess I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Be safe. Bye.